Today we discuss the data mining techniques. Various data mining techniques are used for this purpose. Classification, clustering, regression, sequential pattern prediction, association rules. Classification. This analysis is used to retrieve the mining method, the data, relevant data. Classification is used to uh, find the attributes, find the values for groups. These groups are called classes. Next, clustering. Clustering is again method for grouping. Clustering and segmentation basically partition the database. Each partition of a group is similar according to some criteria or matrix. Clustering also identify with the help of finding the similarity between the data. We find the similarity between the data and then we put the data in the single group, which is called cluster. Next technique, regression. Regression is technique to find the relationship between the variables, between the attributes. The dependent variables find in this technique and their effect for other variables. Next, association rule. This technique is find the relative dependency, which is called association between the item. It is very essential to find the hidden patterns, the information which are not directly find from the attributes. In that cases, association rule are applied. Outer detection. Outer detection is the technique to find the observation data sets which are not directly linked. Various domains, expected pattern, expected behavior. This is based on prediction based technique. Outer detection also used in intuition detection, fraud detection, fault detection. These area used uh, frequently outer detection technique. Then we have sequential pattern. Sequential pattern technique is find the similarity between the patterns. Patterns are the relevant response which we get from set of data. Prediction. Prediction Prediction is a technique in which we find the future aspect depend on the present data. It also include the trend analysis, sequential patterns, clustering, classification. Various all other techniques are also used in this prediction based technique.